My company just rolled out an HSA. What the heck is it? And should I join it?
Welcome to EF Financial's Question of the Week, where we bring to you actual questions from actual clients and tell you how we answered. So, Erica, how did you answer? What the heck is this HSA thing?
I said, well, I said, let's just focus on what it is, and then we can see whether or not it's right for her. So an HSA we'll call it a savings
A
account
health
that
savings
is
account.
a health savings account that's tied to a high deductible health insurance plan.
Right.
And that allows you to put money in to help pay that high deductible.
Right. And oftentimes what we find is companies have that offer this benefit. They will actually put money in up to the amount of that high deductible, while you are allowed to put money in as well.
So this is how it works. You're funding it, and if you have expenses, you can pull money out. But what happens is when you put money in, you get a tax deduction for it. And anything it earns before you pull it out is being earned uh, tax free.
Right.
And then when you pull the money out, as long as it's for a qualified medical expense, you don't pay taxes on it.
Right. I mean, there's
Triple
nothing else
tax
out
free.
there that's as tax efficient as this. Go in free, grow free, come out free when used for medical expenses. It's
Yeah.
pretty amazing. And
And
yeah.
the other super important thing about it is that you don't have to have it sitting in a non-interest bearing account. You can actually invest in the market.
Yeah.
So if you don't need to use that money, it can grow and be available to you at retirement. In fact, that's probably really the best use of it is if you can fund those expenses out of pocket and not use that money. Although it's there for you.
Right. Because without a doubt, you're going to have medical expenses in retirement. You're going to use the money, and why not be able to take that out tax free? And also, if you use it for a non medical expense, you're just taxed on it at whatever your income rate is during that year. There's no penalty. So you can use it for a non medical expense. But I'm sure those